The first time I was writing code, we had a server room in the back room that we walked to with a CD, installed code on it. Were any of you writing software back in those days? Did any of you ever deploy to physical hardware, first of all?
Yes.
Okay, and what was that like for you back then?
It was painful because you had to figure out a way to manage connections, get in, make sure you didn't have any downtime, how do you rotate machines out, problems that were really difficult to solve.
And you actually managed to do it without downtime?
No, that is false. I did it with plenty of downtime.
I was going to say, when we did it, we had the site is down for scheduled maintenance, and
Yes.
it would take us 2-3 days to get everything through Q&A and then proceed. But
Yeah, maintenance windows used to be a regular part, especially doing SRE work. You would schedule maintenance for things to be offline for a period of time.
And today, when you go use Amazon, how often do you see site down for scheduled maintenance?
Depends on what region you're using, but
If you're going to buy something on Amazon.com, they're never down.
No.
And if they were down for 20 minutes, they probably lose millions and millions of dollars, right? So we live in a different world today.